Hello students, welcome to my channel Vidya Kram. Here I am Vidya ma'am dealing with your English subject. Please like, share and subscribe my video after watching it. With the technique Learning Smart, Learning Fast, a step towards proficiency. Let's start today's lesson. Unit 1 1.1 A Teenager's Prayer. What is the age group of the speaker in the poem? The title itself indicates the age group of the poet. A teenager means a person who is 13 to 19 years of age. 13 ते 19 वर्ष वयाची मुलं म्हणजे किशोर किंवा किशोरी, कुमार किंवा कुमारी. So you can write the answer. The age group of the speaker in the poem is 13 to 19. What decisions does the speaker have to take? See, the speaker has to take decision about the right path. Before the speaker, there are two paths. First one leads to great success and the second one leads to great distress. See the chart. Decision, right path, wrong path. But the right path leads to great success and the wrong path leads to great distress. किशोरीबाईं कवी पुढे दोन मार्ग आहेत. त्यापैकी पहिला मार्ग योग्य मार्ग आहे. तो कवीला यशस्वी जीवन, यशस्वी भविष्य देणारा आहे. दुसरा मार्ग चुकीचा आहे, दुःखी जीवनाकडे नेणारा आहे. म्हणजे जीवन अयशस्वी होणार हे नक्की. किशोरवयीन असूनही योग्य निर्णय कवीला घ्यायचा आहे. हे किती छान आहे बघा. यू कॅन राईट द आन्सर लाईक एस. द स्पीकर हॅज टू मेक द डिसिजन अबाउट चूजिंग द राईट पाथ ऑफ लाईफ lying before him. He wants to decide whether he should choose the road that leads to great success or he should travel down the path which leads to great distress. How should one react to a temptation? Question is regarding temptation of bad things which spoil our future. Points for the answer. Strictly say no. Overpower any temptation. Avoid doing anything wrong. मोह आपले जीवन उद्ध्वस्त करते. मोहाला बळी न पडता मोहावर विजय मिळवायचा. कोणत्याही वाईट कृत्यापासून परावृत्त होणं आवश्यकच आहे. The person should strictly say no to any temptation that comes in his way. He or she should overpower any temptation and avoid doing anything bad or wrong. What effect does the speaker wish to see in himself at the end of his teens? God is the supreme being. The speaker says if we get the guidance of the God, these days are the really best days in his life. आयुष्यातले सर्वात सुंदर दिवस कोणते? तर ते देवाचं मार्गदर्शन लाभलेले दिवस. देवाची मदत आणि परमात्म्याचे मार्गदर्शन हेच दिवस सर्वात सुंदर दिवस अशी कवीची मनोकामना आहे. You can write the answer. The poet wishes the company of God because by the time his teenage years are over, he will know that the life lived under the guidance and help of the Almighty was the best. In what condition does the poet wish to maintain his body?
About the answer, the points are clean and fit body when temptation attracts. Any type of temptation causes weaken the body. Be clean and fit. It is the poet wish. मोहाला बळी पडण्याची वेळ जेव्हा येते तेव्हा शरीर स्वच्छ व सुदृढ ठेवणे आवश्यक आहे अशी कवीची साधी इच्छा आहे. The answer, the poet wishes to maintain his body and keep it clean and fit each day when temptation attracts him to do anything bad or wrong. Whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of life? See, the poet believes only in God, the Almighty. केवळ देवाचे मार्गदर्शन जीवनासाठी हवे अशी कवीची मनोमय इच्छा आहे. So you can write the answer. The poet wishes the company of God in the walk of life.